Who?
A lot of people. Oh, why do you think it's productive to be a dick to teenagers on the internet? Literally, you're the reason that people might have mental health crises.
Wait, really?
You're bullying children. You are bullying children.
Who?
You are an adult man. You are an adult man.
What?
You are a full-grown man.
What?
You should know not to harass children.
What?
The majority of people that you are being a dick to are children.
What?
Get off of here and stop harassing children!
What?
I'm a child and you are literally harassing me for no reason because I have a hobby!
What?
You have no right to harass children!
What?
Hobby are children!
What?
You are a full-grown man!
What?
You should learn to not be a dick to children!
Who?
Get off of me! Don't think, why am I harassing children on the internet?
Who?
Why do I think it's okay to harass teenagers? You!
Cares.
Who cares about your fucking opinions on harassing children?
Who?
Literal children!
Cares.
You're not funny.
Alright,
then and stop harassing children! You are getting famous off of harassing children!
Who?
Cares. You are harassing children and getting famous off of it! You need to literally go think about your fucking choices!
Who?
You are a shitty human being. I want you to know that you are shit.
Cares.
How can I your fucking opinion? You're the one harassing children! Literal children!
Who?
You're an adult man! Act like it, you fucking asshole!
Cares.